control. And I know it's been forever, I can still feel the spin. Cause when I remember and I never wanna feel it again.
But I see.
Don't know if you get it, cause I can't express how thankful I am. That you were always with me when it hurts, I know that you'd understand.
Every day vini bitches, oh God, and
Lose control.
Non si assiste, sta invece
Anymore. Trying everything when
I wish you the best of luck. What's your reply? Amen. I wish you a quick recovery. Amen. No, sir. It is thank you. When would you stop saying sitting room? Sitting room. No, it is sitting room. It's a compound word. Sitting room. Rather, I wouldn't want you to keep calling this football every time. It's a compound word. You call it football. I love playing football. Rather, this word is a compound word. Don't call it grandpa. No. It is grandpa. Stop right up, please. You should stop pronouncing compound words anyhow. Don't say grandpa. It is grandpa. Don't say grandma. It is. What have you been pronouncing this wrongly? It is not chocolate. It is chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite. Right there, please. What have you been pronouncing this wrongly? It's not bedroom. Not bedroom. No. It is bedroom. I am in the bedroom. Hello, friend. What's up there? Too well? No, not too well. Towel. And I didn't call this set of letters. Are they vowels? Not vowel. Vowels. So we have towel, vowels. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Today we have a very important topic to treat. And the title or the heading of the topic is grammar rule. And under the grammar rule, we are treating irregular noun. Irregular noun, or you can call it non-zero plural noun. Irregular noun. Have you ever heard of that before? Okay, you can help me drop it in the comment section if you've heard of that before. Now let's quickly talk about it. Now, what are irregular nouns? We're talking about some nouns that both their singular and their plural forms are just the same. But you cannot say, okay, fish and fishes just anyhow. You can't, accept there is a very cogent reason, which I will discuss with you today. You don't say fishes anyhow. You have to say fishes only if you are referring to different species of fish. So the plural of fish is still fish. For example, now I have a mini fish verse of fishes. Now, you don't say I caught 5 fishes. No, you don't say I caught 5 fishes. It's not correct. So it should be I caught 5 fish. I caught 5 fish. I caught 5 fish. And that's it. Another thing you need to keep in mind, as I told you the other time, is that you only use fishes when you refer to different species of fish. For example, the aquarium has many fishes from around the world. the instance where I am using fishes now. Just keep that in mind, please. So you don't say, I'm having 3 fishes with me. No, except if you say, I'm having 3 pieces of fish. Or simply put, I have 3 fish with me. That's even the correct way to go about it. Okay? Then I have with me here more examples of the irregular nouns or irregular plural nouns or the non-zero plural nouns. I have with me here sheep. You can say 1 sheep. So sheep. 1 deer. 5 deer. 1 species. 10 species. Thank you for watching. Drop in the comment section. Of course, I will give you my question right away. My question right away is coming now. My question is coming right away. Okay? Right there. Irregular nouns. Continuation, please. You have a question here with you? Just answer this question, okay? Which is wrong? I caught 5 fishes. I caught 5 fish. I have 1 species of butterflies. I have 1 species of butterflies. So, in the comment section, drop your answer there. And then if you have any of any other thing to say, kind of drop it in the comment section, okay? Hello, good morning, and trust you had a wonderful night rest. I have with me on the board here for this morning. I'm having the topic very confusive or so confusing to average speakers of English. And as a response to one of the some of my followers on Facebook, I was told that one of the misunderstood topics in English for them are the prepositions, especially at, in, unto, and into. So I have proposed that since I saw that response or reply from them, I proposed to create a video that will answer or that will solve that problem for them. So right here, let's learn how to use at and in. These are very 2 paramount prepositions that you just need to know how to use, because there is no day you will make use of at and in. But the shock is most of the average users of English language misuse them. So let's go. How do you use at? At shows exact, take note, exact, that is specific point, the exact place, the exact time. Let me repeat that again. At shows exact point, place, and time. For example, she is at the door. She is at the door. That is the exact point or the exact place she is at a moment. At that moment is at the door. So if I ask you, hello, where are you? It's okay. Where are you in the house? Or where are you in the room? It's okay. I am at the door. Exact point where you are at the moment. At the moment. I am at school. That is, if you say I've gotten to the city, and where exactly are you in the city? I am at the school. Which means once you get to the school, you cannot miss me there. That's exactly where I am. We go there at 4 p.m. At is different from, from in. And that's exactly why I want to clarify this. I want to clarify this to you. So, there's that. We go there at 4 p.m. So we are going to go for the second one right away. I hope this is clear. If this is clear to you, please, I wanted to type it in the comment section. It is clear to me. Okay, so friends, let's look at in here. How should we use in? We've treated how to use at. Now it's time to learn how to use in. In shows being inside or within something. Being inside or within something. She is in the room. But you don't know the exact place where she is in the room. But that is where she is, inside the room. Did you get it right? She's inside, that is, she is in the room. That is, she is in an enclosed area. Enclosed area. Okay? I am in Lagos. Did you get it right? I am in Lagos. I am in Lagos. Think about it. I'm shortly. It means you are right inside Lagos already. Hello, please. Have you gotten there? Yes, I'm in Lagos already. I'm right in there. But you can know the exact place where she is or she is in Lagos. So, okay, and that's it. I wouldn't like to take much of your time again because there are going to be quizzes thereafter. Now, watch out for into and unto. When to use into and unto. Is that clear? Bye-bye for now. Good morning. Trust you had a wonderful night rest. This morning, we have a subject verb concord to learn from. Subject verb. These are the first two parts of any speech that retain the validity of the speech. If a sentence will be complete, of course, subject and the verb are very paramount when creating such a sentence. So for this morning, we are learning how to make subject and verb agree. This simply means agreement. Simple. We have some critical English structures that if you're not very careful, you will give a wrong verb to the subject. So I have on the board here, the father and child. Anytime you see the father and child, you're talking about one person. One person. Now, you need is for that. So the father and child, his. You're not talking of two people here because there is something, an article that indicates personality. An article indicates personality, and the article is, oh, there's a mistake. Yeah, and the article is the. That's it. So, for example, the father and child, can you see, is here. You're talking of one person because the same father is still the child. Probably the same father has another father at home. So this father is a child. So these are the grandpa. Okay, then number two, set a difference now. The father and the child. Now you're talking about two people. Two personalities right away. For two people. So The key point there is that look for the will signify or it will indicate a personality. And it's as simple as that. Let me give you quick activities to work with at home, probably with you or your child or your friend. And the cartoon. So you can drop your answer in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Yes, dear viewers. Okay, we're gonna be learning 3 words in the section. Okay, and the first word you see there, that is sow. SOW. And the 3 words we learn in the whole homophones. SOW, like the farmer sows, some seeds. The farmer sows the crops. Now, the second one you see here is also sow. I've heard people say that as sew, like sewing machine, which is wrong. It should be sewing machine. And please, for your information, that is the spelling of sow. So in there, just add an ing with it. And the last one there is also so, like, and so what? So we have so. One so for a farmer, the other one for a tailor, the last one as like an adverb or a preposition. Thank you. Bye bye.